Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform directional nutmeg. Directional nutmeg is 1-star level skill. In order to perform it, press and hold L1 R1 and then tilt right analog in any direction. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.